Nonprofits at the forefront of providing essential services to our community face a growing reduction in federal funding. At this press conference, some agencies shared how cuts to vital services are already being made, impacting the organizations and real people.
President Donald Trump's proposed budget for fiscal year 2026 includes a $163 billion cut to non-defense discretionary spending. These cuts affect programs like SNAP, Medicaid, and mental health services. Many ask, who is affected by this and how?
Mothers, babies, youth, aging women, and women with disabilities.
Older adults who rely on Medicaid for in-home care and prescriptions. Families who depend on SNAP to keep their children fed.
Lee Busick with the Southern Arizona AIDS Foundation says they laid off 14 people, which has resulted in higher caseloads per worker. The nonprofit has also lost millions in funding.
The $2.1 million in cuts, the potential $4.5 million in cuts, has resulted in reduced testing hours, a reduction in HIV, STI, Hep C testing.
Youth on Their Own CEO Elizabeth Slater tells me the federal budget proposal completely eliminates funding for the McKinney-Vento Act.
The McKinney-Vento Act is absolutely essential in helping them get enrolled in school, stay enrolled in school, transportation to school because they might be really unstable and hopping around to different places.
Slater says there are almost 3,000 unhoused children and youth eligible for these protections in Pima County.
We work with over 100 schools in Pima County. That's how many schools have youth experiencing homelessness.
Daniel Barden with Kodak Health Recovery and Wellness shared that from 2023 to 2024, the nonprofit saw a 22% reduction in overdoses in Pima County.
That progress doesn't happen just by chance. That progress happens because of prevention, treatment, recovery services are available and they're working for people. But now we see that progress is at risk.
Barden adds that cuts threaten essential recovery services like counseling, medication, and assisted treatment.
Services are often the first line for someone in crisis.
By showing unity and strength, the nonprofit leaders hope to send a message to D.C. saying this funding will deeply affect Southern Arizonans.
Reporting in Midtown off Broadway in Rosemont, Jacqueline Aguilar, KGUN 9.